everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going through every one of my eyeshadow palettes and deciding what I'm going to keep out to use between now and the time we move and what I'm just going to go ahead and pack away. This is not a declutter video. This is a decide what I want to keep. Now I'm going to be honest with you, until after I get moved, there's probably not going to be any real beauty videos other than packing all of my makeup and my fragrance. I will be doing Chatty Get Ready with me, but we're starting to go into that phase where I'm packing up everything I can, because we're hoping to get our pods and get those packed in early August so we can get this house on the market, and then once it's sold, buy a house. So anyway, enough of that. Now I don't even know where to begin. I need just everyday makeup, and I'm okay if I'm wearing the same one or two palettes for the next few months. I'll just have to deal with it. But I'm also going to be attending my niece's wedding, and my niece is like a daughter to me, so I want to make sure I have the right makeup to wear to her wedding. And my dress is a pretty yellow, a light yellow, pastel yellow with some gray design on it. So, but I probably won't match my eyeshadow to my dress. Anyway, I digress. So let's just get started. I think what I'll do, since there is so much background noise, I might just cut out the audio, put some music on, and every now and then tell you what I'm doing. Does that sound good? Okay. So, and I'll give you my thoughts every now and then on some of these items. And so let's get started. I'll start with this basket. I don't think I need this one, this Alamar. This is the volume 2. I think I can pack that. I love this palette. Let's see. I think I'll keep this one out. It's a contender. We will keep out some and then go back and decide. Talk is really pretty. I'm gonna save this out and we'll see. I'm gonna set this one out and think about it. I'm gonna keep the mini glam out too. Now the Modern Renaissance is really pretty for fall. I don't know how far into fall I am going to be. It's hard when you don't know. I think I will keep this out and we will go back over it. I love this Norvina palette. Okay, we're going to consider that one. This is pretty. Okay, I'm going to consider it. We'll go back and check on it. Alright, I emptied this basket, and what I'm going to do is I'm putting back in this basket what I know I'm packing up. Okay, now I've got room in here to put more that I know I'm going to pack, so I can just stick them right into the box. Let me move my pile of maybes. Now, I've got all my large Huda palettes. So let me see. This is Mercury Retrograde. Beautiful. I think I'm going to consider that one. Oh, the Rose Quartz. That one is so pretty too. I'm going to consider that one. Oh, I love all these Hudas. The nude. New nudes. Okay, I'm gonna Naked Honey. Okay, I have all of my little Obsessions palettes. I'm not going to keep any of those out. So I got Neon, Smoky, Gemstone, Topaz, Ruby, Emerald, Amethyst, Nude Medium, Purple Haze, and Wild Jaguar. Next, I have got Jeffree Star. These are all Jeffree Star. So I've got Pink Religion, and I am not going to keep that out. I'm going to lay this to the side. beauty killer. Yeah, I'm just gonna pack that one away. I've got the mini orgy palette. Yeah, packing that away. Blue blood, gonna get packed away. Now, this one I don't know. I really like this palette, this cremated palette. Not that I don't like all these palettes, but this one, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to need it. Yeah, I'm going to pack this one away as well. Oh. All right. I've got one more container here. Sorry for my squeaky chair. Let's see, these are my singles. These. Upside down. I don't have a lot of singles, but I'm just going to go ahead and pack these away. We'll pack that away. This one. I don't need sweater weather. Let's see. This is my Pat McGrath. Let me open it back up. This is the Celestial Odyssey palette. Sorry for the ring light shining there, but oh, you know, I'm gonna hang. I'm gonna consider this one. We will consider it. This is the Divine palette. I'm gonna pack that. This is my Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye. I'm just gonna go ahead and pack that one. My Kylie Jenner. Let's pack. This is a little Pat McGrath singles. Ace Beauté, I'm going to pack. This Kevin Kwan. This is my Wayne Goss Imperial Topaz palette. I think I'm just going to go ahead and pack it for now. Now, what I have left is Lunar Beauty. I have the Eternal Eclipse, which has been barely touched, but I think I'm going to go ahead and pack it. I'm hoping we have a house by October. And then I have the Lunar Beauty Moonspell Volume 1 and 2. Here's Volume 1. I love these. But I think I'm just going to go ahead and pack them away for this year. Yep, I'm just going to pack them away. Okay, now I have to decide. Let me rearrange some things and we will decide. I'll show you where I'm at.
Hi, hope you're enjoying this video. Hey, did you know that you can now direct message with this video creator? Yep, just click the Responda link down in the description. Okay, I'll let you get back to the video.
Okay, this is what I'm choosing between. I've got Pat McGrath. This is the Mothership Mega Celestial Odyssey palette. I've got two Hudas, two little Natasha Denona. I've got a ColourPop, 3 Anastasia Beverly Hills, and a Urban Decay. All right, I'm just going to go over them, look at them, and just start deciding. First, okay, I'm going to not keep out the ColourPop. All right, next choices. I think I am not going to keep out the Pat McGrath. Alright, getting there. I don't need to keep a lot. Looking at this compared to these Anastasia, the colors from, this is the Modern Renaissance. I think very similar colors are in both, so Modern Renaissance can be put away. These are nice for summer, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and pass on that one. Now, I think I can put this one away too, the Carly Bible. Alright, doing pretty good. Now, move these over into our camera. Alright, now let's see. Looking at the two Huda, I think I prefer this one over this one. This one is Rose Quartz. I'm going to put that away, and I'm going to hang on to Mercury Retrograde. I'm going to hang on to Urban Decay Born to Run. Let me open these back up. I closed them too quick. So, Natasha Denona, this one is the Mini Glam. I do like this shimmer right here. This might be nice. Yeah, I'm going to hang on to that one. And this one I am going to pack away. So, I am keeping out to use only these 3 palettes until after I move. So guys, the Natasha Denona Mini Glam, Urban Decay Born to Run, and Huda Mercury Retrograde. I feel with those 3 palettes I can survive for the next few months. So guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And again, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.